Width might have been narrow enough to keep ATVs off. They went in and did this mechanized work, which Woody talked yesterday about how sometimes you need to bring in some machines to do the work of a bunch of volunteers couldn't do what a machine does in a couple of strokes with its bucket. They went in and did this, and apparently the contractor left the tread in a pretty wide condition. They didn't do what Woody was talking about bringing in rocks and boulders and downed trees are a great way to close that corridor up and put a feature in that's going to keep those ATVs from going through unless they bring a chainsaw and really break the law and cut their corridor open. They might have been able to, with the way the corridor was left. They saw some mechanized activity on it. The corridor was wide enough. If you want to give them the really heavy benefit of the doubt, you could say, well, maybe they just thought it was a mechanized trail or a trail that allowed motorized. But regardless, the corridor was left wide enough that some ATV activity's been going on there, and it sounded like, from Joe's opinion, that social setting there, the illegal ATV activity has increased. So that's some of the stuff with that survey we talked about that I wasn't going to figure that out on the ground. I was going to say there's ATVs here, I can see tracks. I don't know when it started. I'm not going to be here from when it started, and so that's where we're going to really rely on you all to help provide some of that background information, and that's why we're working on that survey.